value. Today in Art, Vocabulary, and Concepts, we'll be discussing the art elements. What are the art elements? Line, shape, form, color, texture, value, and space. In the visual arts, the art elements are the tools working together to make great art. What is value? Value means how a color changes from light to dark. Value color changes can influence the moods and emotions represented in art. Here are some examples of value in art. How would you describe the mood? Colors changing from light to dark and dark to light. This can be seen in white to gray to black and in all other colors. Art can be made using one color in light, medium, and dark shades. Value color changes can influence the mood and emotion shown in art, like lonely, calm, quiet. Value is seen in many famous works of art, using value changes in one color or many colors. How will you use the art element of value to make an awesome artwork? For more art content, join me on Bold Soul Whimsy, Substack, YouTube, and Instagram.